Welcome to this explainer. Let's transform your NAS into a fully automated media server using Sonarr. Think of Sonarr as the brain of your setup. It automatically tracks and manages all your TV shows. So how do we actually connect it to automate the entire downloading process? We'll tackle this in 3 simple steps: mapping directories, adding our indexer, and linking our downloader. Step 1. Give Sonarr access to your entire Unraid data share so it can easily hard-link files. Next, jump into Sonarr's media management settings and map your specific TV folder as the root. Step 2 connects Jacket to search for files. You'll need these 3 specific pieces of info. Notice how easily those Jacket details plug right into Sonarr's TorsNav feed settings. Step 3 is linking qBittorrent. Head to Download Clients in Sonarr and select the qBittorrent presets. The crucial point here is to use your container's name for the host, not the IP address. Also, ensure the category is set exactly to TV Sonarr to keep all your downloads perfectly organized. Set a strict 120-minute seating limit in qBittorrent. This automatically cleans up your completed files. Back in Sonarr, you'll see the default quality profiles, but let's build something better for your collection. Create a custom HD Plus profile. This tells Sonarr to grab the best 4K release falling back to 1080p. Want automatic discovery? You can easily import your public tracked watch list right into Sonarr. Let's test it out. Just go to Add New, search for your favorite series, and select it. Here's the final step. Tick the Start Search for Missing Episodes box and hit Add. Sonarr will now automatically find, download, and organize every single episode directly on your NAS.